Good morning to all. This is me, Yuvarani, first standard class teacher from 7th grade Adventist Nursery and Primary School, Kanjipuram. Because of lockdown, we are conducting online class. Children, all of you watch the class and the lessons regularly and learn the lessons. Now let's go to the lesson. Children, we are going to see mathematics first lesson, comparisons. Comparisons in the geometry. Geometry means it is the part of mathematics that we studies about size, shapes and the position. First let's see the keywords. TOP, top. BOTTOM, bottom. Top, bottom. INSIDE, inside. OUTSIDE, outside. ON, on. UNDER, under. On, under. Above. ABOVE, above. BELOW, below. Near. NEAR, near. FAR, far. BIG, big. Small. SMALL, small. Before we see the lesson, let's sing the rhymes. Sit, 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 sit inside the class. Jump, 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 jump on the floor. Crawl, 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 crawl under the table. Go, 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 go far from the table. Come, 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 come near the board. Play, 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 play outside the class. Children, do you all like the rhymes? See, can you see the pictures? See, according to the rhymes, they are also sitting inside the class and they are crawling under the table. They are coming near the board. These children are playing outside the classroom. These children are going far from the table. These children are jumping on the floor. First, we are going to see comparisons between top and bottom. TOP, top. BOTTOM, bottom. Children, can you see the colors of books? Can you see the colors of books? See, first color is blue. Second, violet. Third, green. Fourth, red color. Can you see variety of color in these books? Can you tell which book is on the top? See, come and read here. The blue color book is at the top. Which color book is at the top? Blue color. And which color's book is at the bottom? See, the red color book is at the bottom. Which color book is at the bottom? Red color. Which color book is the top? Blue. And the bottom? Red color book. Can you see the difference between top and bottom, children? Next, inside, outside. INSIDE, inside. Outside. OUTSIDE, outside. Children, can you see these fruits? Do you know the fruit name? Papaya. This fruit name is papaya. This fruit has seeds inside this fruit. This fruit has seeds inside the fruit. But this, do you know the name of this fruit? This fruit name is cashew nut. But this fruit has nut outside. Can you see? Cashew has its nut outside. This one, papaya. Papaya has its seeds inside. See, this two dogs are there. One dog is inside the canal, another dog is outside the canal. See here, two birds are there. One bird is inside. Which bird is outside? This bird. You should circle this bird. Next we are going to see on, under. O-N, on, under. U-N-D-E-R, under. Children, see, these monkeys are playing on the tree, but the cap seller is standing under the tree. See, where will monkey play? It will play on the tree. This man want to sleep. This cap seller want to sleep. He is sleeping under the tree. While the man is sleeping, these monkeys came down and took the caps and climbed on the tree. But this man is standing under the tree itself. So, man is standing under the tree and monkey is sitting on the tree. Can you see the difference between on and under? Monkey is on the tree and the man is under the tree. Next, above, below. A-B-O-V-E, above, below. B-E-L-O-W, below. See, can you see here one picture is given, one girl picture is given. See, her eyes are very big and look beautiful. See, her eyes is above the nose. Above the nose, everyone has their eyes. And her mouth is below the nose. See, the nose is between the eyes and the mouth. But above the nose, eyes is there. Below the nose, the mouth is there. See, eyes are above the nose. The mouth is below the nose. Can all of you touch your eyes? Now, touch your mouth. Which one is above the nose? Your eyes is above the nose. Now touch your mouth. Where is your mouth? Below your nose. Next, near, far. Near, far. N-E-A-R, near. F-A-R, far. Near, far. Can you see this picture? Do you understand anything from this picture? See, one girl is standing here. What is this? Do you know? This is bus stop. This one is bus. This is car. See where the bus is standing. See, the bus is near the bus stop. Where is the bus? Bus is near the bus stop. And where is the car? The car is far from the bus stop. The car is far from the bus stop. Can you see the difference between comparisons between the near, far? See, the bus is near the bus stop and the car is far from the bus stop. Children, see, what is this name? Tortoise. Who is behind tortoise? Rabbit. Who will win this race? Can you tell me who will win this race? Tortoise or rabbit? Yes, tortoise will win this race because this tortoise is near the rope, but the rabbit is far from the rope. So who will win? Tortoise only win. Next, big, small. B-I-G, big. S-M-A-L-L, small. Big, small. Do you all like the fish? Yes, I too like the fish. I too like to watch the fish. See, what is this name? What is this name? Its name is shark. Shark. Shark is very big. Shark is very big. This fish name is zebra fish. This fish name is zebra fish. But the zebra fish is small. But the shark is big. Do you understand the between big and small? Do you understand the comparisons between big and small? The shark is very big. See, this fish is also very big. Its teeth also very big. But this zebra fish is very small. His eyes also very small. Do you understand the difference between big and small, children? Today we saw the compare top, bottom, inside, outside, on, under, above, below, near, far, big, small. Today we saw this geometry first lesson comparisons. If you have any doubt, you can contact me in you can contact the teachers. Okay children, thank you. Bye bye. Stay safe.